Yo, yo, yo. Good evening, people. I don't know what you same way. You know what I mean? Alright, so the video here, I have to tell you about this social media site called FUTURENET, right? It's a site like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of them combined. So I know nothing we not used to. So the thing with this site now is that you get paid to use the site, right? To post, like, share, comment, all of them something there, you get paid. Unlike Facebook, when you talk every day and them something there, I wanna not get paid. Because right now, for example, if me and you are talk, right? In the messenger what they have, in the chat at least, or create a group, you don't say all the way I get money. But if, like say, we start from 7 o'clock and just go straight through the day with it, you know say all the way I get paid about 8:30, so the reading them come up. You see me? Some of them yeah make sense, but nothing wrong. Sense build up to dollar down and a US that, you see me? So right now I'm gonna show you how things set. The sign up. So you see the link here, Herald 2018.fn.xyz. Click on the link there, you see it, and it'll bring you from right to sign up page. You see me I say? They just sign in your first name, your last name, your email. You are gonna use the correct info. Cause you don't know say when money for draw and them thing there, you wanna make sure say oh, your info correspond to whatever they on your profile, you see it. And your card and them thing there, you know what I mean? And your date of birth. Username. Make sure you use a username where you go remember. And your password too. So you click your gender, you verify right or so, and then you click them box there and then you register. Right? So you can see say oh the thing up, Western Union the panda too. You see it? So I don't look up picnic thing, you see me I say? It's a sure thing. Me no see no scam, me do all of my research them already. Me see live proof where money draw from the account already too. You don't know. So and a joke thing me I tell you about a pays me use. We left the link there still to wanna use, you see me? Alright. So I sign in on my account. You see me I say it's a good look man. Somebody recommend it to me, and I go recommend it to you. Show you say yeah it work for sure. You see me I say. So this is how it look. Just like Facebook. And on some computer the theme change up. So it look different too. Much more like Facebook. Like on Apple computer. You all have game on there. This is a business side to it. So me have page. You have page and then and you can create group and them thing there. Yo! Me soon do that. Me have message and notification. Probably friend request, I'm not sure. But what you do, you just see posts, like, comment, share. And as so comes you build friends and them something there. You know what I mean? And views, yeah. When people share your stuff, so it's like an eye for an eye. You see me? You share for them stuff and you build a relationship with them and them share your stuff. This is my chat. You like me can't send no more message right now. Because me run it red from there. Alright? So let me show you something. Your activity bonus. So that I also know you get paid. These are the free user part, you know. Are the free user part this. So at that you now go earn like the big league. You see it? See it there? Show me not really active from what there. See? 1 cent. Me reading come up to the rest of them are zero. Alright. See, social media bonus is a reward for active user of the social platform. You see me? It calculate daily accordingly to special script, taking into account specific parameters of activity. So, and see part right so your activity parameter will be especially rewarded while using the internal communication tool, FutureNet chat. So you see me, and no joke thing me I talk about. Is it? So in my summary, a two cents. Is it? I'm gonna show you a preview. And you have the app on your phone to where you can use. Is it? So these are the business part of it, you know. So you can watch ads and make money. You not start make no money yet. Cause the thing is, you have to buy, you have to spend money to make money. So you have to buy ad pack, watch ads, and when you're asleep, yeah. Hmm? Alright, sorry about that. So like a $10 ad pack now, when you buy a $10 ad pack, it's like you have a monthly subscription, right? So you can go up to about 50 ad pack as a free user thing, is it? So about 1500 Jamaican dollar you don't have to spend. Alright, so see it friends bonus that I want to recommend when you get a 50 cent. So everything you do, it all depends. So imagine if you do enough something for a day, and all of them they calculate up for a day. You know what I mean? So see me revenue here, 52 cents. You see me? I just start since yesterday. So later me wait for readings again. Right? Oh man, I show you a business side now. Alright, so the back office are just the business side, right? See the three category like FutureNet out. You know what I mean? So it's all about the money. You have to put in the hard work. Guys, trust me, rewarding. So this is how I purchased yesterday. The $10 product membership and you upgrade. If you have the money, you can purchase all of them and go through. Right? So in our next video, I can tell you about that more. So see something going on now. This is me right here. So. And this is somebody who I recommend and them pay $1,500, right? I'm gonna need 3 more persons, then I saw it all go up. So you see like cards, you know, when me get my 3 persons, so for example you have to go get 3 more persons. So you see like everything happening at tree, everybody a reward from it. Right? So everybody will get a commission from it. That happen. So basically I that tweet so far as a free user and when you just get started out. I use Pesa to deal with my thing, you see it? See it there? I use Pesa. So you can sign up for Pesa and I leave all I link them still. And you can do the match. Right? But me I show you say a legit thing. A legit something. You have to reach what? $50 before you can draw your money. That is a good look, because you can reach people fast, but you don't want to draw your money. You want to put it back in your invest. You see it? Alright. So basically me give a preview how it thing go. So if you want to earn some extra cash on them thing there, you can use it. No scam no the tweet. I no see no scam so far. I no hear nobody a complain about no scam. I search out the whole site, something legit. And you know say no bus in America yet because Europe it start from, right? So I don't know, your choice if you want to join FutureNet or not. Because guess what? money me a pray for the area and the money me a go for. You don't know things say no joke, no buffer.